right? So we're just using what we learned in the last unit. The formula for the slope, the change in the y over the change in the x, or the rise over the run. And we have our slope, so that's step 1. Step 2. For step 2, we're going to use the same method that we just used in the previous example. We're going to take our y equals mx plus b, plug in everything we know, and solve for our b. So which point should I use? Does it matter? Does it matter?
No.
Why not? It does matter. I got it does matter and it doesn't matter. Who says it matters which point I select? Raise your hand if you think it matters which point. Well, I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to plug in the point and the slope in here to get the y-intercept. Does it matter which of these 2 points I select? Who says yes, it matters? It definitely matters.
If you pick y from one of the points.
Who says no, it doesn't matter? Doesn't matter.
Not everybody raised their hand.
Not everybody.
10 people raised their hand.
Me too.
If you pick y from the first.
Because it's always going to the same, so you guys.
So let's check it out. Let's
Points
check
have
it
the
out.
same slope.
How can we do that?
Exactly.
Okay.
So I'll do the first one.
Okay, you know, whatever. It doesn't matter, so. Okay.
Right, so this is the first one. And the second one would be right? So when I solve this one, I have 5 equals -3 plus
Wouldn't
b.
it be 3? So
So
that
it's
would
a
be 8. So then b.
Right, good job. And then I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides, and I'm going to get 2 for b. And then this one, I'm going to multiply it, and I'll actually get a -3 in this one. Okay.
Yeah?
Oh.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
But look, it does matter if you cannot pick
They're a
y from one
function.
coordinate and an x from the other coordinate. It has to be from the same unit.
Good thinking, good thinking.
So technically it does matter.
No, it doesn't
Okay,
matter.
it
You
doesn't
lost.
matter which point.
Leave it in.
It matters which point from which parentheses you choose from, yes.
Okay, so it matters which coordinate
So now we're getting
from
over.
which point,
Now we're
right?
getting over.
As long as you use the same, like.
As long as we use the same coordinate, it doesn't matter. Why doesn't it matter?
I think squeeze numbers.
Hold on, what don't you get?
I don't know what it's doing. This doesn't make any sense.
Okay, so what we're doing here is we're trying to write the equation of a line that passes through 2 points.
So you're writing.
So I have this, my coordinate axes, I have -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have 2, -1.
Okay.
And I have this line, right? And I want to know the equation of that line. Because it's algebra 1.
Okay.
So we can, in real life problems, possibly we need to solve for the equation of the line so we can find other points on the line. Maybe we have these 2 points and we wanted to find the y coordinate when x is 10. How would you get that? You need to know the equation of the line. You're only given the 2 points. Okay? So what we did first was we found the slope. And the slope, we can see from the points, we had our rise, and we rose up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then our run went in the negative direction, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got the 6 over -4. We have -3/2 for our slope. And then the only other thing we're going to need is our y-intercept, which was, I must have drawn something wrong. Oh no, that's right. just supposed to be up here a little bit more. So we decided that we can put either point into our formula and we'll still come out with our y-intercept of b equals 2. So I didn't get my answer why it doesn't matter.
Wait, can you explain something? Can you explain how you got like plus 3 from -3 when you multiply by 2?
So how did I get plus 3 when I multiplied -3 halves times -2? So -3 halves and -2 is really like 2 over 1, right? So it's -2. Right? And then these just can cancel out. And the -3 can plus -3. Alright, so you were gonna say?
Because they have the same slope.
Because they have the same slope. Because the points have the same slope? Can you help?
Yeah, because see, since the points are on the same line, it means that they have the same slope because they're on the same line. Okay.
Okay, so you partially got it right there. The
Okay,
points are on the line.
their points are on the same line, which means that in order for them to be on the same line, they have to have the same slope. So it wouldn't matter because then in the end you have the same slope because they have the same slope.
Because they have, I heard a lot of because they have the same slope. But that's mostly correct. Mostly correct. Because we could put any point on this line into this formula and we should be able to get our y-intercept. So we just happen to have 2 points here, and it's always going to be the same y-intercept because the points are on the line.
So
Completely correct. Question?